Differences between Java and Python. Java is statically typed, object-oriented, concurrent programming language. Python is dynamically typed, object-oriented programming language. Java is a compiled language. Python is an interpreted language. Java syntax is rather strict. If you miss semicolon at the end or mismatch curly braces, you get errors. Python has easier syntax. Only the indentation matters. There is no compulsion for semicolon or curly braces. Java has larger code and is also statically typed and is not that easy to use. Python dynamically typed and smaller code, hence it is easy to use. Everything in Java starts and ends with object. If you want to just print hello, you need to have a class. In Python, these are objects, but we can also write programs without objects and classes. A simple operation in Java like printing hello world will take 5 to 6 lines of code. Java code is very verbose compared to Python. Python programs are relatively smaller. If you want to print hello world, you do it straight away using one print statement. Java is faster as it compiled language. Python is slower since it is interpreted language and also its data type is determined at runtime. Java is portable and JVM is available for all platforms. Python is portable but not as much as Java. Java has strong database connectivity through JDBC and is widely used. Python database connectivity is rather weak and not much used in actual enterprise application. Java has better performance than Python in terms of speed and efficiency. With the help of just-in-time compiler, efficiency of Java program is improved considerably. Also, parallel programming improves the speed, thus enhancing the performance as a whole. Python is an interpreted language, hence contrary to compiling the entire program, each program statement is taken at a time for interpretation, slowing the program. Type checking is also done at runtime and identifying the objects from collection takes up lot of memory, thus reducing the performance. Java has been around for a long time and most companies prefer Java for their development due to various Java features. So the future of Java is indeed bright. Demand for Python has grown exponentially in recent years, especially with the advent of AI and machine learning. So we can safely say Python holds a promising future as well.